Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is Eric, and we're the Vogels, and we've lived in Kingwood for about 30 years, and we moved into the Barrington approximately 4 years ago.
The hurricane hit Kingwood probably in its peak. The river flooded on Tuesday around noon, Tuesday, August 29th. Wednesday afternoon, 24 hours later, we were back to survey the damages. And it was traumatic. We started in the garage, and we obviously had things strewn everywhere like everyone else. In the Barrington, there are 257 or plus houses, and each person received anywhere between 1 to 6 feet of water. We received about 28 inches, and we're pretty much at a loss. Within a few days, the contractors began to circle the neighborhood. And we had heard of a contractor that had worked with our neighbors. And they really, really liked him, and he did excellent work. And the name of the contractor was the LaRocque Construction Group. And Lisa and I were most impressed when Kyle came to our house on September 6th with his youth, his ambition, his intellect, and just his understanding of his business. We just felt comfortable with Kyle.
Well, and I remember the day that he came to visit us, and I just remember him not really making any promises about the timeline. And looking back, I really appreciate that, because he didn't give us any false hopes that, he would have it done quickly. Although in the end, he was able to do it in a timely manner, but he didn't make any promises that he couldn't keep, and I really respected him for that.
And he also was able to give us a feel for the vulnerabilities associated with this. He told us that this is a major catastrophe. There's materials shortage issues, there are labor shortage issues, and we could run into trouble. But he said, I feel confident with the craftsmen that work with me on a day-to-day basis that they will be loyal to me. And he had some charisma about him that made us trust him. And that was fundamentally why we decided to go with Kyle. And basically construction began on September 28th, 2017, and February 6th, 2018, we were in our house. 4 months and a little bit, and we were back in our house during a time when there were labor shortages, there were folks leaving trades on a daily basis, going to work for somebody else. There were material shortages, flooring shortages. It was amazing. We'll be forever grateful for Kyle and his team.